I've come to expect a few things from my go-to tools: speed, user-friendly interfaces, and transparency. That's why I was honestly shocked when I found out Google Chrome was silently installing a 4 gigabit AI model on devices without consent. I mean, what's next? Are we going to wake up to find autonomous AI butlers running without our say-so? It's a wild world, and we really need to talk about it. I've always been loyal to Chrome, but it threw me for a loop. The idea of a hefty 4 gigabit model hitching a ride on my daily browsing without my knowledge felt like a violation of trust. It turns out this model is part of Google's effort to enhance user experience, improving search and personalization. But I can't help but feel uneasy. Are these decisions made on our behalf really in our best interest? We're talking about a machine learning framework designed to learn from your interactions. Great in theory, but lack of transparency feels like giving a kid a cookie jar without telling them about moderation. Working with AI has its ups and downs. I've learned firsthand about data bias. I don't want my browser feeding me biased info because of assumptions it made about my habits. I've made plenty of mistakes myself. One time, I tried to build a predictive text feature I barely understood. The result? A feature that suggested you are going to buy nothing. Not ideal. This is why understanding what's beneath the surface is vital. We need to hold tech giants accountable. If a rollout affects millions, shouldn't we have a voice in that conversation? Transparency is key. As developers, we have a responsibility. Educating ourselves and being transparent with users is crucial. Implementing clear consent processes might take extra time, but it pays off in trust. I'm excited about AI's potential when used ethically, but it's up to us to ensure our tools respect user autonomy. Next time you fire up your browser, consider what's happening behind the scenes. Are you okay with it? I'm learning to be more mindful every day. Let's keep the conversation going and advocate for the technology we want to see in our lives.